a warm welcome to you. My name is Christina Woodenberg. I'm the director of the German Historical Institute, and we have the privilege of residing in this amazing building, which was last restyled by John Nash in the late 18th century. And the German Historical Institute is a research institute with a public library. We are funded by the German government, and we are part of a huge network, and you can see the map behind me, of German humanities institutes abroad, which are all funded by Germany, but they are open to the public in our host countries. And we have the mission to mediate and build bridges between German academia and the wider world, including Britain and the Commonwealth. And our main areas of research and of interest are British history, the history of the British colonies, the British Empire, and also Anglo-German relations and European history. And our public library specializes in German history. Welcome to our conference room. This is where we hold workshops and conferences several times a month. We also hold our public lectures here, and you're invited, as are all members of the public, to attend. This is a wonderful 18th century room with a particular ceiling. The ceiling was probably planned and commissioned by the Adams brothers. It was painted over white in the 19th century, but then with help of the British Museum, we established which kind of colors were in use at the time. And so we decided for this color combination when we revamped the ceiling. And so when you come to our lectures, you would normally sit in this beautiful lecture room with time to study the ceiling. And after the lecture, we would ask you to come with us into our common room, where we hold receptions with some wine and nibbles for everyone, and you have the opportunity to chat to the speaker and the other scholars who might be here. So here we are in our common room, where we hold our receptions. It is also the place where you can take a break and chat to others if you're a library user. And around you will see our newest magazines and journal issues. We also hold daily papers for your perusal. Yeah, it would be lovely to meet you and to see you at some point at the German Historical Institute. Thank you for visiting us virtually, and I hope you can follow up with an in-person visit.